In preparation for the safe reopening of schools, it is important that we equip our schools with the essential sanitation facilities. EdFin Microfinance Bank is here to support you to equip your schools with hand washing facilities and sanitizer dispensers. EdFin hand washing machine costs 29,800 Naira only. Each machine is a pedal-operated soap, water and hand sanitizer dispenser with dual outlets for users. You can purchase the hand washing machine outrightly or take a loan to purchase it. Order your hand washing machine today. For more information, please call 08094546334 or send an email to contact us at edfinmfb.com. EdFin Microfinance Bank, enabling education for the future.